Most YouTube creators think about their channel the wrong way. They think about individual videos. Which video to make next? Which topic to cover this week? Whether the last video performed well enough to justify continuing. That frame is the reason most channels plateau. The creators who build channels that grow consistently do not think about individual videos, they think about systems. A system is a set of decisions made once that generates compounding results over time without requiring a new decision every week. Here is what a YouTube system looks like in practice. Every video you publish is built around a keyword that your audience is actively searching for. Not a keyword you guessed might work, not a topic you thought was interesting. A keyword with verified search volume, measured competition, and a clear gap in the existing content landscape that your video is specifically positioned to fill. Every thumbnail you create is built on data from the highest click-through rate patterns in your specific niche right now. Not on what looks good to you, on what is proven to make your specific audience stop scrolling. Every title follows a structure that has already generated clicks in your category, not a structure you invented, but one the data shows is working for channels at your size and stage. When those three decisions are made systematically, every video you publish has a significantly higher probability of being found, clicked, and watched than a video made without that research. And here is the compounding effect that most creators miss. A video that ranks for a keyword does not just generate traffic in its first week. It generates traffic for months or years every time someone searches for that keyword. Each video you publish using the right keyword strategy is an asset that works for you continuously long after you have moved on to the next one. A channel built on systematic keyword research is not a content treadmill where you have to keep running to maintain your traffic. It is a library of assets, each one earning consistently, each one building on the authority of the ones before it. That is the difference between a channel that requires constant output to maintain flat performance and a channel that compounds. vidIQ is the tool that makes that system possible to execute consistently. Before you write your next script, vidIQ gives you the search volume for your topic, the keyword difficulty score, and a list of related terms your audience is using that you can build your video around. It shows you which keywords have high demand and low competition, the gaps where a channel at any stage can rank without competing against channels with 10 times your subscriber count. It analyzes your competitors and shows you which of their videos are gaining traction right now, so you can identify rising topics before they peak and publish into demand that is still growing. And the title and thumbnail analyzers show you the specific patterns that are generating the highest click-through rates in your niche today. You are not building a channel on instinct. You are building it on the same data that the top channels in your category are already using. Save this, because the gap between a channel that plateaus and one that compounds is not talent, equipment, or posting frequency. It is whether every video is built on a foundation of research or on a foundation of guessing. The free trial link is in the description. Start with your next video idea before you write the script. Run it through vidIQ. See the difference between what you are going to make and what your audience is actually searching for. That single step, repeated consistently, is the entire system. Link in bio.